Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm going to show you what I'm going to unbox, and this is one of the long awaited casting which I will be unboxing this week, and let me just showcase you one by one, starting with these two. Okay, so this one is the Dodge Rampage. I honestly never heard about this particular casting until I actually saw this casting. I mean, not even this car in real life. So I mean the truck if you want. So I think this is the 2019 casting if I'm not wrong, either 2019 or before that. That's what I actually read it somewhere here in this, in this package here. I'm not able to see it now. Okay, this looks like someone vomited on back of the card, with words. So okay, it's somewhere around 2019. I saw it, like when I purchased this one. So this looked really nice and it felt really heavy. So I bought this, and here's the next one. So a lot of people actually asked about this casting, the Ford Mustang GTD. It actually looks really nice compared to, I think, the Shelby which we unboxed in last batch, and this looks really cool, with the spoilers and everything. So I really want to unbox this casting and see how this one looks, and because it looks like it has details on both front and rear and everything. So yeah, and so here's the next one, my personal favorite, the Lamborghini Miura SV. So this is one of the color schemes. If you guys own that particular Aventador, they actually did a Miura homage Aventador. Not only in Hot Wheels, I'm saying, Majority did that because it was actually a real car, with this paint scheme, but in Aventador. So when I saw this particular one, I immediately bought, both cars, because one I'm going to unbox it now, and I'm going to keep it here somewhere, and another one I'm, going to keep it in my showcase, which I'm planning to do in near future. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So I remember showing this when I did the hunt video. So let's do this one more time. So this is a 3-pack. I personally bought this for the Huracan here because I don't have a Huracan in Hot Wheels. Yeah, I do have Huracan in Majorette. I think 2 or 3 different Huracan, the Huracan Navy or the blue with orange stripe, and the color changer one. And there is one more I have, which is that green livery, that this camouflage kind of livery. That one was really a nice one. So we will be unboxing this as well. And one more thing, which is this one. So this one I particularly bought it for this particular livery because this one looked exactly like this, this 80s, that 70s to 80s, so I really loved this one, so I bought it. And last but not least, everyone's most awaited casting, which is this one. So the Oracle Red Bull Racing. So unfortunately this is not available in India yet. None of these are available in India yet. So I bought this on my trip during Malaysia. If you didn't see that hunt video, my suggestion would be go ahead and see the hunt video. You will get to know. I think I did say most of the details, like whatever I remember. So I gave all the details in that video, so you can go ahead and check it out. So there will be one more hunt video coming, that is more specifically on premiums. Stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for this week's video of this. And if you like my video, thumbs up. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.